Hey everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company. Good morning. Today is December 4th and we have box 4 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas to open. For those of you who don't know or are just joining us, this is a specialty box that Jenny puts out early, kind of like springtime, that you can pre-order, and then it ships around late October, November timeframe, and then we open it just in time for December 1st and then carry it on through another 25 days until Christmas Day. So stick around, like and subscribe to our channel to continue seeing these unboxings through Christmas. All right, let's get started. All right, here we have bag number 4. Let's go ahead and see what's in this one. I'm trying to kind of keep the sticker nice. Okay, we have a pattern here. This says welcome home. It is, let's see, 39 inches by 39 inches. Okay, the block sizes are 12.5 by 12 finished. It's a really cute little town, kind of, what they call it, a medallion quilt. Okay, and then here are the requirements of this quilt. All right, and we do get some of this fabric in our little bag here as well. Okay, this is adorable. These are the doors for the houses on this quilt. Let's see. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. This is my first time receiving this Countdown to Christmas box, and I have to say, like, I'm kind of blown away by all of the kind of thought that was put into these items. Jenny certainly has a really good team working for her. And then we also have some like Christmas fabric here. I don't know, maybe you can make, it doesn't, I don't think, oh no, it does show it. So you can make the trees out of this fabric. And then same with this one, I think too. Let me see. Yep, so this is the tree fabric. So it's already decorated for you. And then of course, like I said, the door fabric. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love this one, you guys. Who else is a quilting cat lady? I can't be the only one, I'm sure. And then this has to be my other favorite door. This gnome, sweet gnome. Hopefully you can see that. I have an obsession with gnomes. And then on the side here, there's actually wood grain as well. It's double-sided. And then that would be the tree trunks. All right, well, that's it for this bag. That was an extremely awesome one. Doesn't seem like much, just a pattern and a little bit of fabric, but I think it's just so cool, these doors. I've never seen anything like that. Let me know down below what you think of this bag that we got today. And then also our question for today is, who is your favorite pattern designer? It used to be Elizabeth Hartman for me. I have a ton of her quilt kits here down below, but lately my So Quilty life has been killing it. Look at these intricate patterns. And this isn't the only one. She's got a ton of these things. Anyway, she's definitely become my new favorite. Look at her website. I'll go ahead and just post this down below. Obviously, I'm not like an affiliate or associated or anything, but her website is so cool, and she has like individual blocks for sale as well. And I think very highly of her pattern making abilities. So make sure to check her out. Here, I'll just put this here as well. Her socials. All right, I will see you all tomorrow for box number 5. Bye, everybody. Have a great day. Just to make sure you can see all the doors because they're all each unique and individual. Look at that cute sewing room one.